Oriri ngurutano gatagati ka magavana na arugamiriri wodi kaunti ya Kiambu na Meru irahorerekera o kahora. Gavana wa Embu Cecily Mbarire ni ayumiritie akiuga kuri na andu marathoga arugamiriri wodi kaunti iyo mambike bara nake.
There was misinformation that the money was skewed towards certain areas. In fact, the concern was that Bere North, Bere South did not get money like other parts. But the mistake that was made is that even projects that were beneficial to the entire county and therefore happened to have been physically located at the county headquarters, whoever was analyzing decided those projects only benefit certain parts of the county.
Akiaria na andiki mohoro, Mbarire augite kuri ngurani ya tabarira iria itanyitwo kuguna gicigo kia wodi na tabarira iria irongoreirio kuguna county iri yothe ta waki wa mathibitari.
So we also had to now break down that budget and show what was county projects that are specific to the entire county and what was ward specific or sub-county specific project. And upon my explanation, it was clear that that narrative was not true.
Mbarire niokiriire kuga thirikari yake ni gukuruhania muingi wa Embu tabarira-ini cia uthii wa nambere na makiria arugamiriri wodi hindi ya uthondeki wa budget ya county iyo.
One of the key areas that I have and that I'll be working on from the next budget is water. We have big water challenges. Most of the water service provider companies in Runyenjes, in Manyata, some in Bere, they are not operating well and they don't have enough water. So we have to find ways, and we are developing a water master plan so that we can come up with projects that will help give water to the people wherever they may be.
Miario ya Mbarire yukite thiku imwe tu thutha wa gavana wa Kiambu kugia na wiguano na MCAs ya kaunti iyo thutha wa guikania iguru makiuga wa matangi ndakoretwo akimakuruhania tabarira-ini cia kaunti to heani wa basari na mangi maingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.